Hello content creators, welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to create these fake celebrity voices and chats by using AI. This tool is 100% for free. It is called abcaishow.com. I'll leave the link down below. Here are the celebrities you can chat with or create voices. We got somebody like Andrew Tate, Chris Rock, Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and basically you can chat with them and then prompt them to create voices, whatever you want. So here, let me check out Donald Trump right here, and this is exactly like chatting with ChatGPT or chatbots, and you can use these example here, or you can type in your own right here. In this example, I want to tell Donald Trump or ask him this question: do you think dinosaurs are real? There we go. And here, of course, they're real. I had a Tyrannosaurus Rex in my golf course, very friendly guy, but had a horrible slice. Alright, so let's click here. It'll generate the voice and an animation. Alright, here's the video or the animation with the voice. So let's check it out right here.
Of course they're real. I had a Tyrannosaurus Rex in my golf course. Very friendly guy, but had a horrible slice.
Alright, now I'm gonna ask if he can wish happy birthday to my grandma Leslie. Alright, and here's the response, and let's check out.
Happy birthday, Leslie. Fantastic lady. Absolutely beautiful. Probably the only person who can beat me at golf. Can you believe it?
Yeah, so it sounds just like the real guy, and this is AI generated. And again, you can use this for other characters, other celebrities, all for free, and I'll leave the link down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more content creation with AI tips, tricks, and tutorials. Until next time, happy creating.